Okay, so now we're going to move on to the next box. Now the next two boxes are going to be green. So again, make sure you change your color when you're typing it out. Make sure you change it to green. So these two boxes are your commentary. So this is where you explain your quote. So you're explaining the quote or concrete detail. Okay, so this is where you're going to explain the quote, and you're going to do that twice. Now you're going to put one sentence in each box. Okay, one sentence in each box. So you will always have one sentence in each of these boxes, no more than one sentence. Okay, one sentence in each box. So you're going to explain the quote above it. Why did you pick that quote? So why did you pick that quote? Why is it important? What does this quote show? All right, and you're going to do that in two different sentences. So you're going to explain the quote in this box, and then you're going to explain it again using a different sentence in this box. Okay, now again, there are more examples and more notes in that PowerPoint that's available in Google Classroom, so you can always refer back to that if you need to, but I'm going to use the two examples that are provided to you in that PowerPoint. Okay, so all I'm going to do is write this into my boxes just so you can see. So my explanation, my first explanation for this quote says, the actor, again I'm using green, make sure you use green, the actor had to have goals and work hard for 17 years to get the success he now has. Okay, there's my first explanation. So I've explained this quote down here. All right, I'm going to put a box around this too so that it doesn't get mixed in with our answer. All right, so then we're going to come down here. We're going to do the same thing. One sentence in each box. Now these notes that I'm writing, like I'm writing all these notes out here, that's just notes for you. I don't need to see those. I don't need to see the circled or the arrows or anything like that. I just need to see your responses in the boxes. Okay, so now I'm going to explain the quote again in a different sentence. Again, I'm just going to use the example that's provided to you in the PowerPoint. So I'm just going to write this in. He thinks, talking about the actor, okay, the actor. So the he that I'm referring to is the actor. So he thinks everyone can be successful if they set goals for themselves. Okay, now that's my second explanation of my quote up here. Now if I had used a different quote, then my commentary would be different. Okay, you're explaining your commentary, you're explaining your quote in these green boxes, in these commentary boxes. You're explaining the quote that you picked and why it's important and what it shows. All right, so that's how you do commentary.